hot fudge, but you can also use chocolate syrup. So we're gonna put that in one plate. And crackers put over that. Give that a shake. Ooh, cold, cold, cold. It's cold. Ooh. I need a campfire to warm up my hands. Got a glass. We are going to... We're gonna strain that. Okay, this is mine. I'm gonna blow my marshmallow, but you don't want to burn it too much if you're making it for someone else. And there's our s'mores martini. I hope you guys get some good camping trips done this summer. It's so fun just to go out with friends, enjoy the outdoors, make some s'mores. But if you can't go camping, if it's reserved this weekend, you can make this at home.